Hey friends, how you guys doing today? So today we're gonna do a makeup therapy. So let's get up close and personal. I'm gonna do some content today, so I want to go ahead and start doing my makeup for it. Hopefully I was looking back at my analytics from my video. Of course you guys love the fashion video, so I love the fashion video. We're gonna be transparent and be honest. Feel like, am I gonna be able to get back to where I was at with that other video? But we gotta make chances. I didn't know I was gonna be able to meet those expectations on that video. I know bigger channels get bigger numbers. I'm not comparing myself at all, but that's the biggest I have done on this channel. So it's just like, I want to do bigger and better. So I want to keep making myself bigger and better. So that's what we're gonna get ready for. Some music on, maybe talk to you guys a little bit, little voiceover chat, but I'm just gonna makeup therapy. I'm gonna start my makeup.
The blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Trying to stand but my knees go weak. What's happening to me in the dark? Can you tell me what?
Super excited that, well, I just primed my face. But I'm super duper excited because I'm on to another brow pencil. Oh my god, I'm using up my makeup, but there's literally nothing in there. And you know, but I hope this don't ever change with me. But I'm gonna use every penny or every drop of what I have. Like, if I could still squeeze something out, I'm gonna do it. I'm not wasting any money. Like, I spent my hard-earned money on it, so we gonna do it. We gonna do the thing. So whatever little bit is in here, I'm gonna use it. And then we gonna switch to the next brow pencil.
You're the number one topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, do you have a clue? I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. We were showing stars outside. What's the reason why? You're always sexy boy. You're sexy boy. Hey baby, I just wanna know. I'm not gonna run out, just gonna stand here and sleep. Yeah. Hey baby, I see you. So sexy boy, so sexy boy.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas around me, right at they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas around me, right at they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just threw on a hoodie, it's a Crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end. change, you know. Certain things have started getting tenser. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss ya. Right now I'm just stuck inside a crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside PT. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Yeah, who am I? All the niggas round me, ride or die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Yeah. Heart still on javelin, baby. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. I was pulling off, but they knew me. Sometimes I wish there was two of me, or three of me, when it was you and me. I'm outside in it. I'm outside in it. I'm
Call my homegirl, tell your best friend. Decide to on the no location. I don't want them seeing me getting faded. You should come through tonight. I only kick you with a tie. Cause they won't tell, cause they tryna live their best life too. On the low, on my own, I'll be waiting. Put me on the phone, I'll be waiting. Yeah. Almost missing my flight today. I look good even though I feel shitty. I just got back out this way. You already got plans for the city. Call them off, cause you call them off for me. You're always going on and on. Got it all, ask me why I never leave. I don't go out much, but you should come through tonight. I'm chilling on the west side, boo. Call my homegirl, tell your best friend. Decide to on the low.
Alright, so this concludes the video. I am so glad my curls are coming back. Even though I told you guys previously that I want to start Okay, so even though I told you guys that I want to start straightening my own hair or being able to straighten my own hair, I was so discouraged with my curls. My curls wasn't, but as you guys saw that I did a twist out kind of, and I actually only used like 2 products. I probably want to show you guys, this is a little frizzier than the other side. But I probably want to show you guys how I used to wear my hair with the twist out, but we'll see. For today, a couple of outfits in mind to do. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later.